Hello guys, in this video we will see what is DirectX error in Battlefield and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step on understanding the DirectX error in Battlefield. Content a DirectX error in Battlefield indicates a communication failure between the game, your graphics card, driver, and the Windows operating system's DirectX. DirectX is a collection of apps essential for handling multimedia tasks, especially game programming and video on Microsoft platforms. When such an error occurs, it means the game cannot properly utilize your hardware for rendering graphics, often leading to crashes, freezes, or game startup failures. Common specific error messages might include DXGI error, device removed, error, or general DirectX function error.
Common causes of DirectX errors. Content DirectX errors in games like Battlefields typically stem from several issues. The most frequent causes are outdated, corrupted, or incompatible graphics card drivers, as DirectX heavily relies on these drivers to interface with your. Two other significant factors include corrupted game files, Windows system files that are damaged or outdated, conflicts with other software running in the background, overheating of the GPU, insufficient or unstable power supply to the graphics card, or even a faulty graphics card itself. Recent Windows updates can also sometimes introduce incompatibilities that trigger these errors.
Step by initial driver and software troubleshooting. Content begin by performing a clean installation of your graphics card drivers. Download the latest recommended stable drivers directly from NVIDIA and or Intel's official websites. Use a tool like Display Driver Uninstaller. Did you in Windows Safe Mod to completely remove old drivers before installing the new ones. Next, verify the integrity of Battlefield's game files through the for Origin Steam. If applicable, this feature scans for and replaces any corrupted game files. Ensure your Windows operating system is fully up to date by checking for updates in settings, as DirectX components are often updated via Windows updates. Step advanced system and game file checks. Content if driver updates don't resolve the issue, address potential system file corruption. Run the system file checkers by opening command prompt as an administrator and typing scan out. Additionally, use the deployment image servicing and management DISM tool by running DISM online cleanup image restore health in an administrative command prompt to repair the Windows image. Consider performing a clean boot to rule out conflicts with background applications by temporarily disabling all non-Microsoft services and startup programs. As a last resort, completely uninstall and then reinstall Battlefield to ensure a fresh installation free from any accumulated file corruption. Step hardware assessment and professional support. Content if software solutions fail, investigate potential hardware issues. Monitor your temperatures during gameplay using monitoring software. Excessive heat can cause stability issues and errors. Ensure your power supply unit is adequately rated for your graphics card and components, and consider if it might be failing or providing unstable power. Inspect your graphics card for any physical damage or signs of overheating. If the problem persists after comprehensive software and basic hardware checks, it might indicate a more serious hardware defect with your GPU or RAM. At this point, contact support for Battlefield-specific advice for your graphics card manufacturer for hardware diagnostics and warranty assistance.